Understanding the dangers of mRNA technology. What if we could design treatments at lightning speed? That's the promise of mRNA technology. From rapid vaccine creation to genetic therapies, it's revolutionizing science. But every revolutionary breakthrough comes with risks, ones we can't afford to ignore. How does mRNA work? It instructs our cells to produce specific proteins. While effective, mistakes can happen. Could unintended genetic changes trigger unforeseen side effects? Scientists are still studying long-term impacts, but the uncertainty demands caution. Who decides how this tech is used? mRNA can be powerful, but in the wrong hands or poorly regulated, it could lead to misuse. From bioweapons to rushed approvals, the ethical implications are enormous. Should convenience outweigh safety? Instead of fear, this video calls for awareness. Advances in technology should serve humanity, not risk it. Understanding these dangers isn't anti-science, it's pro-safeguard. Together we can demand research, regulation, and transparency. Are you passionate about learning the pros and cons of innovations shaping our future? Hit subscribe and share this video. Let's dive deeper into technology's dual-edged sword, ensuring the line between progress and caution stays clear.